Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I show you how to reset eToro virtual account. So we have basically three options. So the first option is that it's not official way to modify your virtual balance. So you will need to open a ticket, a support ticket. So how you can do that? You will navigate to eToro Help Center and open the ticket. So let's say here on the left side, you will see help resource, and you can start chatting here with the assistants, and uh, they will start your ticket. Now, what you need to do is just specify the exact amount you want in your virtual balance. So you can request balance between a minimum of $2,000 to a maximum of $100,000. So as you can see, I had 84,000. Now cash available is 67,000. So, but this is virtual account, so that it won't confuse someone. Now you have also here the auto refill feature. So this is basically if this cash available drops to $1, eToro will automatically refill basically your available cash to $2,000. This process is automatic and you cannot disable it. Or you have the third option that you basically open up a new account, and this will provide you a fresh $100,000 balance on your virtual account. And yeah, this is pretty much how you can reset eToro virtual account. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the